Top 10, we going Fred. We were top 10 dead or alive. Swear to God, you already know the vibe. Come on, we outside.
What did your Instagram followers think the rap color was gonna be? I feel like everybody thought you was gonna go green.
A lot of people said red. A lot of people said black.
Satin gray. Last time I didn't even really get to pick my color. Ordered another color and that satin gray actually just came by complete mistake. This wrap actually was picking the color, as you can see. It look badass, bro. That shit look like a bat straight out of hell. Tell me I'm lying. Tell me I'm lying, Karen, man.
Nah, that shit, it's not shit. I'll give it that. It's not shitty. It might be a good color.
Yo, let him see Barney, bro.
Yo, what is this?
Turn the camera to Barney.
Yo boys. So first of all, this is Blurple. This is Blurple, but it's not my YouTube, so I ain't gonna steal his shine. There you go.
It's about damn time.
Yeah, my channel back here. Zoom in real quick. Close up. Yeah. We went with Satin Black from Avery Dimensions. Throughout like all my friends like rapping their cars and stuff, I've seen that Avery Dimensions to me look the best in terms of like quality and thickness. I could be wrong. I don't rap cars. I ain't a rapper. As you can see, this shit do look good though. Come a little bit closer real quick. Let me show y'all some of the details. Right here, as you can see, we got a little roll call. If Terrell could keep the camera steady enough for you guys to see.
Yo, don't size me, bitch.
You know, so we got Step Out here, #1 sponsor on the channel, stepoutshop.co. Go shop your parts. We got Wiseco, sponsored our Pistons. Huge shout out to Wiseco. Definitely wouldn't have been possible without them. Hybrid Racing. We got tons of hybrid parts on this card. I'm not even gonna start. And then we got Alpha Injection Clinic Injector. They sponsored us a while ago. They sent us out the 2200cc injectors, so that's what we've been running. Yeah, man, we got enough fuel for the moon. Nigga, damn, that shit close as fuck.
I zoomed a little bit out. A little bit. I ain't say a lot bit.
We not done. Get back down here. What the fuck? All right, so we got Avery Dimensions, the rap company. We got Action Clutch here. We got an Ironman Action Clutch. It's basically stage 7. Walbro 525 fuel pump, Radium Engineering fuel pressure regulator, DC5 Creations. We had the battery tray, but we had to get rid of that. I'll explain that in another video. Pulsar Turbo Systems. We got a Pulsar Turbo. And of course, the engine and transmission were put together by Rayski. So up here, we got the Step Out banner. Brand new design. Let me know what you guys think about it. I'm thinking about doing something to make it stand out a little bit more on black. just because I have the satin black. What you mean?
Bro, I look crazy or something like that. Just looking at me crazy for like I can't just be smooth.
Nah, bro, ain't you got dreads, bro? Come on, bro.
Bro.
Oh shit. Powering up. What the fuck? We got Milo up here. We got Milo the bait bunny. I said the bait bunny.
What the hell is even that?
We got Milo the bait monkey up here. He chilling. You know what I'm saying? He's stepping out his comfort zone and shit. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about this band design though. I really fuck with it, I'm not gonna lie. It look tough. We got another new step out logo on the gas cap. We switched it from the snail to a step out, graffiti type theme step out stencil. So on the back we have the roll call in satin black to match the wrap. Got Corey Wright, Wiseco, Hybrid, Alpha. We basically shortened it. Shortened the list over there. That's the full roll call. Nigga, what is going on? I gotta wipe the snot, hold up. She be getting a little snotty, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Where's my snot at?
In the meantime, y'all, while he's looking for whatever he's looking for, I'm just saying, if y'all do need a trainer, check me out on Instagram. Soul Patrol Fitness 98. That's Soul Patrol Fitness 98. Check me out on Instagram. Click the link. Get yourself a trainer.
That's crazy because you ain't paying me for the promo. Like this ain't my channel and shit. Like 200 cash.
Sorry, bro. I'm the type of nigga stand on business, nigga. One man arm against 50, nigga. What you wanna do that? I stand on business, nigga. What you do? Hey,
I usually keep a snot rag in the car for her. Cause she usually spit up a little bit of oil right here, you know what I'm saying? Cause I don't got the catch can connect yet. Know what I'm saying?
That's a wax on, wax off, Mr. Miyagi. Sorry, no promo, no promo. My fault, no promo.
Yeah, come on, bro.
My fault, my fault.
Some of it be coming over here sometimes, you know, we just gotta, just like a kid, just take care of it like your kid, nigga. You wipe your kid nose, right? Some of y'all be sucking boogers out your kid nose. What's wrong with you?
I'm on my MJ shit.
Under the engine bay, we got a fully built motor, fully built trans, 09 yards, Sidewinder turbo kit on the K24Z head. And we got it powder coated strawberries and cream pink. I don't even think it's called strawberries and cream pink. It's just strawberries and cream. Offsets with the black very well. It contrasts very well together. I love it, bro. RBC intake manifold gloss black with the charge pipes gloss black also. You gotta, where I'm.
My fault. I didn't know there was a point like that. I was looking at gloss black.
Yeah.
Where's the carbon fiber shit you were talking about the other day? Oh yeah.
It's a turbo blanket.
Y'all know nothing about this? I'm a supercharged boy, but
carbon fiber turbo blanket. Yes, sir. That's stealth mode type shit.
you heard that? That's the CFTB.
But yeah. What?
CFTB, bro. Carbon fiber turbo blanket.
Oh, fuck. Acronyms. You're good. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the wrap review. Let me know what you guys think about the color in the comments. I know a lot of you guys wanted me to go back to the gloss black, but I think this is 10 times better than the gloss black. So, like I said, I fell in love with this car again, bro. Bad out of hell, man.
Watch me step inside and make it active. I'm addicted to fashion and fashion.
Talk about that in another video.
This shit is black.
No done.
Nah, I'm just saying, this shit is like you just pointing to shit, no cap.
So as you can see, facts. Step out your comfort zone, bro. Oh shit, this nigga just missed it. Okay, he did it again. I missed it twice.
All right, hold on. I'll give
One more time, bro. Yeah.
Am I there yet?
Hey, bro, don't hit my shit, nigga.
Am I there yet?
No.
Am I there yet?
No.
Am I there yet? What about now?
Bro, if you hit my shit, we gon' fight.
They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. Gotta drop a couple for them Maggies. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic. From New York, so we making it happen. Why they try to keep me on my back?